Okay, so tap on more at the bottom, then scroll down. You have region and language. So first you're gonna have to change your region in case if you go to language and the language you're trying to change it into doesn't show up. So let's just change the region. Colombia for some reason, yeah. Oh, okay. So it's not available. Denmark. Right. And then the Danish language is going to be selected automatically because they probably don't support English. Um, but yeah, that's how you change the language. So pretty much just select the region first, and then you have the option to either select the country's language or English most of the times. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see if I can find an example. Germany. Okay. Ireland. Yeah, so like I said, language is going to change, then tap continue, the app's going to reopen, and yeah, that's it.